Saan?
Oh, is it
Yan yung
really?
hinahabol
Ay.
ng tatay mo kahapon.
So today we gotta hike to Miamit Falls at Sapang Uwak.
Yan.
Okay? Pandesal.
That's the reason
So
why.
we're going to travel with Brad Pitt and Richard Gere.
Papa po.
Richard Gere.
Atasha
Star-studded.
Atasha yung namagaling sa bayaw. Okay, bye guys, are you ready?
Ready.
We're going na. Come on guys. Let's go Sago. Let's go Sago. Okay, let's go Sago na. Ayan na yung araw. Okay. So, dito start namin muna. Okay. Okay. So hindi na kaya. Dito na mag-start oh. Hindi na kaya ng sasakyan dyan?
Oo nga.
Babara na kayo dyan?
May nakaharang sakyan sa natin park.
Hindi, dyan na. Okay na yan. Okay na yan.
Nakakalis ba yung IA?
Okay, dito na tayo magpapark.
Dito po tayo sa kabila, sir.
Ah, sa kabila ba?
Okay.
Putang na. Dito pala. May dumadaan dito. O dito pala.
Yung galing po sa taas.
Okay, okay.
Yung motor ko kayo.
Yun dahil. O dito, dito. Pare, dito magparada.
Matatandaan ako yung top 10, 2011. Yung motor ko ko.
Good. Good. Good.
Right there using that
Pero yung isa doon, pwede na ron. Yung isa ron, pwede na.
Sabo.
Ito, yung isa. Nakatalikod siya doon sa isa eh.
Sa Tito Sunny, no.
Yung
Ha?
isa, pwede na po din yung isa.
O, pwede rin isa doon. Eh, dito na rin yung isa. Dito na lang sila dadaan. Ha?
Bilis.
Sino?
Ikaw. O kami mabagal.
Pabagal lang kayo. Okay, so tama-tama ang temperature dito, malamig na. Pwede na dyan, pare. Dikit mo rito. Dikit mo rito. Dikit mo rito.
Yung atras si Mel. Si Mel pinatras.
Hindi, okay na yan.
Hindi, pinapalis.
Pinapalis? Oo, saan ako paparada?
Saan daw ang gusto nila?
Use the restroom real quick.
What?
She's gonna use the restroom real quick.
There,
Make
there.
sure nobody comes over here.
Ay. We'll control everybody here. Huwag mo na papasok. Magsisiyar dito. Sumabay ka na rin doon. Magtakip lang kayong mata. Yung guide, pahawak mo sa guide.
Ito?
May guide tayo dyan. Okay, so start na kami ng hiking.
Ako pa to, kahit saan mo ako paihi.
Oh. 360, ha?
Ay! Ano ba yan?
May bangin. Okay. Okay, this one, medyo light tayo. Akyatan, tsaka kailangan 4x4. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going on 4x4 now. Kailangan pala mag-impress sa YouTube. Ha? Mag-impress sa YouTube. Oh, basor. Okay, hello. Yan, oh. Ito na.
Look at the view.
Bawal. Oh, we're sorry.
Meron yata
Sorry,
yung shooting.
Go back.
He's shooting.
We'll go back. Oh my God, meron pala ano rito.
He's
Payment.
shooting. Are you shooting something?
Yes,
Hello.
po, mabuhay.
Where are you shooting?
Dance po, dance
Ah,
drama.
dance.
Yes. Can I hop in?
Yeah. You want? Yeah.
Are you guys
You can take a
speaking?
picture here.
Okay.
Can I sit
We're on camera.
Yeah. Kukuha kayo ng picture.
Wala yung phone ko.
Picture lang mo, mag-picture lang mo. Okay. Kami ni, matras na kami pare. Ayan, matras lang. Ito, ating bunso na. Ayan, isang
Selfie.
Kuha ng picture. Yes.
Wait lang. May pa-picture lang.
Okay. Look, you have to subscribe on Senior Citizen
Yeah,
na
sure.
vlogger.
Oh, yeah.
Kasi magkukulang kayo ng picture eh.
Dito.
Ha? Yan. Yeah!
One, two,
Hi! Mamaya, sasama ko kayo.
three. Sige ba?
We're going to Miami Falls
Where are you
actually.
from?
I'm from Porac.
Oh, Porac.
What's your name? Nice to meet you. What's your driver's
My name is
license?
Ernie.
Pastor.
And this is Sunny.
From ano, hi. Oh, makukunan kayo sa senior citizen na vlogger, ha?
Sure po.
Oh, gaganda
I'm
nito
giving
mga
you
to.
all the permission.
Okay. Oh, what can you say
What's your
about this
name?
place? What can you say about this place?
It's really nice, and even though you have to speak in English or in Kapampangan.
Yeah, Tagalog, whatever.
Kapampangan, so-
Kapampangan. Manyaman
Masaya. Manyaman po yung Pamangan Kenny, and at the same time,
Mag-start na po daw
Ay,
yung
sorry.
performance mo.
Sige na. Okay. Ay, wow. Napakaganda naman ang timing namin.
Opo. Opo.
Kayo po si Mrs. Attorney.
Nila Yumal po, Municipal Administrator po
Ng?
ng Porac.
Municipal Administrator ng Porac, si
We
Mrs.
have performance.
Miss Nila
you can-
Yumal
Miss
po.
Nila Yumul. Nice to meet you po. Sani Canlas po.
Hello po. Welcome to Porac.
Yeah, you're on a senior citizen na vlogger now. Wow. Ayun, tama to. Galing.
View Deck, Barangay Sapang Uwak, we welcome you to the culminating activity of Teatro na Malyari Performing Arts Workshop with the theme Taluktok ni Kalalangan, the Peak of Arts.
Wow.
Today is not just a simple program. Ito ay pagdiriwang ng talento, kultura, dedikasyon, at ng journey ng ating mga young artists. Upang simulan na ating programa, tayo po ay tumayo para sa isang
Stand up.
kabuhang panalangin.
Everybody, stand up.
Let us center ourselves through prayer to be led by Mr. Glenn Serrano.
Tan mo. Ginaid mo para makudi sa bapa sa taluktuka sa buya bapa. Ipakangit mo kara ya kaganawan. Ya barang makita la, ya dinyag mo. Ya dai aray siru na bapa. Bapa manang sa puso yan. Hindi ba dyan manitaw? Yan da. Lord, hindi kay baydi. Manang sa buko yan.
Yes.
Manang sa buko yan. Panginoon yan. Ipakangid mo kara. Ya dinyag mo. Sana dai ganaday sir. Bapa yan, malaki pa salamat ang kamo, ta iningatan mo kay Baydi.
Ang maghilig, alas na silanganan, hanap ng puso, sa'yo ay buhay, lupang hinirang, ang kanang magiting, sa manlulupi, ikaw sisihil, sa ganyan at mundo, sa simayan, sa langit mong bughang, may dulagang tula, awit sa paglayang minamahal, ang silab ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin na karawa kailan pa may magdidilig. Lumay araw ng ating pagsinta, o'y langit sa piling mo. Ang ligaya na magmay manghahapi, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Buhay! Mabuhay mga youth natin.
Pa.
And of course, sa
Pa.
lahat po ng nandito ngayon.
Apir,
Maraming
okay.
salamat po on behalf
Uy.
of the municipality.
ba't nandito ka taga-Kogyo ka?
The Municipal Tourism Arts and Culture Office.
Ah.
namin na makarating po ngayon dito sa napakagandang Sitio Banaba, locally known as Balen Damulag.
Yaman na
So,
yung prayer mo, ne?
nagpapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon dahil
nagpray
nagkatipon-tipon
kanina.
po tayo ngayon.
Siya nag-pray
At ngayong
kanina.
araw na ito ay tunay na espesyal para sa ating lahat. Hindi lamang natin masasaksihan ang bunga ng 7 araw ng masigasig na pagsasanay, pagkatuto at paglikha ng ating mga artista ngayong araw na to. Ngayong araw na po ito at ang buwan ng Pebrero ay sineselebrate natin ang National Arts Month. At ang tema natin po ngayon sa National Arts Month ay taluktok ng kalalangan o ang Peak of Arts. We are very proud of our 17 young participants coming from both Vice Mayor Jen Capil at lahat ng Sangguniang Bayan members. Nagpapasalamat po kami sa patuloy na suporta para madugtungan ang pangarap ng bawat kabataan. Napakaganda po ng simbolo ng lugar na ito. Kung nakikita niyo po, ang pagtatanghal sa tuktok ng bundok, just like your journey, yung mga kabataan natin, yung pinagdaanan natin na umakyat tayo step by step. No? From learning to practicing to finally performing with confidence and pride. As we witness your performance today, let us celebrate not only your talents, but also your growth, your courage, and your unity as one creative community.
Oh, good.
Siyempre po, nagpapasalamat tayo sa Department of Tourism na pinangungunahan ng ating Regional Director, Central Luzon, si Director Richard Dinos. Nandito po ngayon si
Hanapin nitang kahikan taboy sa kustan uling ngapi.
Palakpakan naman po natin sila.
Yes.
At ang ating
You know, we are very lucky.
ngayon, si Attorney Elba Cruz, CEO ng Museo de Paris Gallery Museum.
Yes.
Si Sir Joshua Tolentino, isa rin
And this is
naging
Porac.
Porac Young Artist.
Gosh.
No? At ang ating, of course, ang ating host for today, ang ating Mutyaning Porac 2025, Miss Cristel Clarice Enriquez. Si Sir Mihildo Pineda, ang aking kaantabay sa Arts and Culture Office. Ma'am Nancy Antonio from DOT3,
Oh,
Assistant
yeah.
Tourism Officer. At syempre, ang nagpagal no, sa pagdidirect ng ating teatro na Malyari acting workshop culminating activity, si Direct Jason G. Pabalan.
Yay!
At ang ating performing arts coach, si Sir Mike. At syempre yung kasamahan nila na nandito din. Of course, nandito din represented by Director Dino, si Ma'am Maan Banawa, Supervising Tourism Officer.
Papa yan, nananyag ko na dito. Papa yan, nananyag. Papa yan, nananyag ko dito. Siya mga mamatama.
Galing. Nice. Beautiful. Swerte natin. Wow. This is tourism in Pampanga. Wow. Wala nang danom! Wala nang tubig. So nagpe-pray sila magkatubig.
Hindi, separate nila yung item.
Galing. Nice. Special mention ito dito lang. Kaibigan ko yung dito.
Kaibigan mo ba? Makikita lang talaga dito.
So, tulungan niyo ako. Tulungan niyo ako. Ano nangyari? Tulungan niyo ako. Ano nangyari?
Totoo ba to?
Galing sila. Nice. Galing.
Kasi mahirap timing yung ganyan. Instrumental.
Butas mo ko. Yung makataas. Kala ko nung kuwan. Wow. Look at that. Victory! Wow, very good. Very good. Yeah! Woo! Wonderful. Meraviglioso. Hina! You got it. Harvest time. Humingi sila ng ulan. Yan na! Beautiful! Yeah! Galing! Galing! Oh my God! Woohoo! Alright. Nice. Yeah! Perfect. Meraviglioso. Good job, good job, good job. Very good. Beautiful, ma, beautiful. Everybody, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good. Yeah, very good. Oh, ito, very good ah. Yung dala. Yeah! Yoo-hoo! So now everybody. Yeah, yeah! Galing, 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 galing. Very good, girl. Very good. Very good. Yoo-hoo!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, thank you, guys.
Very nice for your son. Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Ma'am, congrats. Congrats. Galing. Thank you. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Look at this. Woo! I'm rolling over here. Wow! Woo!
Okay, go, 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 Tash! Go, go, Tash! My God, hindi ko yata kaya, Tash. May lagnat ako. Come on, guys! Come on, guys! Come on! Ate, ka video! Sige, ihatid ko sila ng tingin. Okay na.
I want you back. I want you.
Wow, look at that. What's that? What's that? That's the winner. Is that a we? Is that a we?
Tasha, don't follow.
I'm good, I'm good. Oh my goodness, this is so cool! Jurassic Park! Papa, you're okay? It's so cool! Oh my, it's like Jurassic Park! lakas ng gulong nito.
Para pala tayo nagpunta ng Sagada.
Tingnan nyo, galing tito.
What they are doing?
Inaalis pa nila yung puno.
Ay! Nantalam yun! Gandos! Awa! Marayo pa yung balls! Malapit niya mo!
Naririnig ko na po dito yung agos. Do you hear it pa?
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Here's Kuya Awe.
In the morning, as the afternoon, we lay awake and pray.
There's Tito Bong.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do it all again.
Kagawa.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Oh my gosh, look at this. Wait,
Two hearts running wild.
it's like an aquarium. Whoa. Wait. Yeah. What? Picture po si Ayet.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had.
Pause ka, Clark.
Okay, group picture tayo ba?
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Hey! On! Hey!
Lamig kasi!
You're a senior citizen na vlogger. So this is the Nyangke. Okay. Guys, pahapyawan ko kayo ha. Okay lang? O, kaway-kaway lang sa senior citizen na vlogger. Okay. Para may sama ko sa vlog ko. Thank you.
Pangalan channel nyo?
Senior citizen na vlogger. Alright, go, go, go! Okay kayo mo? Ikaw yung ano, okay kayo mo. Ikaw yung guide na. Karakal yung guide? Eh? O, sige. Sige. Hi.
Dito, madapa kayo.
Hi. Punta ako sa Cogeo Tulagers. Okay, Cogeo Tulagers. Okay, Cogeo Tulagers. Okay ba? Okay ba kayong dalawa dyan? Okay kayong dalawa dyan?
Ipan lang.
Yeah. Isandal mo yung ano, yung leg mo, pastor. Isandal mo yung leg mo. Okay. So, pagka maghugas kayo ng plato, nandun ang lababo, ha? Ito lababo. Aray ko. Okay? Tapos may duyan dyan. Ah, look at that. Sarap. We made it.
Thank you for bringing us here, Koy.
You're welcome.
It's all worth it.
Yeah. So we call it in Europe, mirabiglioso. Amazing.
Halik ka ano? Apo.
Ha? Yeah. Okay. Tuturo ko lang sa inyo ha, pagka magsuswimming kayo. Ang style, bigla, lublob. Pagangat, sisingol lahat ng init, wala nang lamig. Ganun lang style. Huwag dahan-dahan, okay? Okay, sa gitna mababaw. Sa gilid malalim. Kaya kailangan pumunta kayo sa gitna. Okay? So that's it, that's it. Hi guys! Woohoo! Okay, Tulagers! Let's go, go! Woohoo! Yes! Hi! That's Brad Pitt! Oh my God! That's miraculous! Miami Falls! Yeah! Yes, guys, Miami! Inom ka ng tubig dyan, pare!